I saw some.
Hi, I'm Mathias Serra, and forget the cliché, a trader can actually live his best life in a van. Hike, dirt bike, kayak, ski, beauty, but always with philosophy. I will bring you with me no matter if it's in a blizzard or a volcano. You're gonna rediscover Europe and the game of life like never before. So subscribe to not miss any of my next expedition. On my way to Linz and also to Vienna, I stopped by to have a picnic and I saw a lot of kayak on the Danube, and then I realized there is this wonderful old water station. I just drove the full day. I'm here in between Passau and Linz. It's one of my favorite places of the Danube. It's so beautiful, like a small canyon. Look at that. Just next to the water, it's so beautiful. There is actually a camping spot, but I think I'm gonna find a way to sleep somewhere here because I have everything: electricity, water, so I don't need to stay in a camping place. But I will show you this place in the description of the video. It's very far from every highway, it's far from civilization, and it's so quiet, so beautiful. And look at how it looks like from above. The place to buy diesel here directly on the water. It's always more expensive than the diesel on the road. Right now, everywhere you go, if it's the Rhine or if it's the Danube, the level is very high because it was raining so much in June, and we can see here the difference between the clean water and the water coming from the river, which is dirty. I like here, comparing to Switzerland, is that there is no houses. It's very wild. It's so quiet here. I like it so much. Just listening to the sound. I think these are Airbnb to sleep on the water. It's so beautiful. The water color is very ugly, but at the same time I like it so much. The level is so high, it's impressive. Look at that. I like Austria more and more. You know, in terms of design, they are the best. They put flowers here, it's so beautiful, and we are in a region where they do some trees for design, and yeah, so you can see it also everywhere you go. I think you can do a barbecue just here, so clean, with the sunset on the wild Danube. It's always a mess to find a spot. Here I'm parked just next to Danube, and I'm gonna stay here for the evening and see what's happening. If I cannot stay, or if I see people like weird, I'm gonna stay in a different parking slots. But look at that, where I am. I'm brand new to the van life, and I can tell you there is a camping just 2 kilometers from here, and the guys, they are not as close and as beautiful as here. So if I can manage to sleep here, wow, just wow.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat.
I don't know if you guys know the famous castle of Neuschweinstein in Germany. It's one of the most famous castles in Europe, and on my way here I found it would be interesting to do this forest experience. So let's check it out. Okay, don't go to the forest experience. It's €5 per person, and it's like in 2 minutes it's finished. And on top of that, I could not fly the drone, so now I'm gonna search for a waterfall. This place is especially if you would like to go with your feet barefoot. I started to rain, and I'm looking for a place to sleep. I forgot to put something on the motorbike, so it's raining on the bike now. But look at the ambience, I like it so much. I found a spot, but I'm not sure. I saw some panels, so I will check that very quick. It just says that there is a danger if the waters goes very high very quick, so I don't know if it's a good idea to go there. I see here a spot. I would like to see if I can sleep here, but I think it's private, so I will go on the Austrian map mobile, and this map will show me if this terrain belongs to someone private. At the end, it's hard to say if it's private or not. But it's not flat, so I don't want to go there. And in this place also, it's raining so much. I don't know if I can come back because the terrain is so muddy. So okay, I cancel to be safe. After this rainy night, I'm finally back here in Neuschweinstein. Here, no matter how long you stay, it's €16 for the vans and 12 for the cars. I like this ambience when it's a little bit raining and not too much people, not too warm. 8:30 in the morning, and I can start to hike. So let's go to the Marienbrücke. It's apparently 1 hour of hike. The more the place is touristic, the less you can do things. You cannot come with your bike. Everybody's complaining that the bridge is moving when you walk, but look at the views. So my conclusion about this hike to the bridge is that it's not wild at all, like some people commented online. You can come with the bus or you can come by walk. It's just, yeah, it's like this all the time. But the view from the bridge is really rough. On the castle is even more beautiful than the castle itself when you go there. So I would recommend just to come to the bridge and see the castle from this point of view. Almost everything is forbidden, and there is a hike, a 3 hours hike from the bridge to the mountain if you would like to. I continued the hike just 2 minutes to see if I can have the bridge and the castle at the same time and look behind me. If you continue 2 minutes only from the bridge, not in the direction of the summit but in the direction of the back in the countryside, you're gonna have access on the water directly and there is nobody, trust me. In 2018 I had the chance to fly with my drone. This year in 2024 it's forbidden, so I leave you now with some past footage from 2018. See you in the next video, bye bye. No battery.